crucial for security and surveillance businesses to provide smooth installations, quick repairs, and regular maintenance to ensure the best customer service. To achieve these, fast-growing security and surveillance businesses are turning towards Zuper, the most flexible and customizable field service management software. In this video, we will show you how to automate the field processes of your security and surveillance business using Zuper. First, let's take a glimpse at the customizable dashboard, where you can access job statistics, statuses, customer feedback, team availability, and more, tailored to your specific business needs. Let's start by creating a commercial security system asset. Click on Assets in the left navigation bar. Using asset management, you can monitor and manage your own and your customer's asset lifecycle, automate preventive maintenance tasks, and maintain a complete record of every asset. Click on New Asset. Enter the asset code as CSS149. Enter the asset name as Commercial Security System. Select the asset category as Security Systems. Choose the asset status as Ready to Install. Select the asset ownership as Owned by Customer. Let's associate the customer with the asset. Select the customer and the address from the pop-ups. Now that you have filled in the necessary information, let's save the asset. The asset is created successfully. Let's create a job to install the asset. Click on New Job on the Asset Details page. The Customer Details section is pre-filled. Moving on to the Job Details section, enter the job title as Commercial Security System Installation. Choose the job category as Installation. Set the job priority as High. Let's use Assisted Scheduling to pick the job start time. Under Slot View, you can view the available slots for the chosen date. Switching to Resource View, you can view the available slots for every field technician. Select the most suitable slot and click on Use this schedule. Under Assign Employees, you can see that the technician is already assigned thanks to Assisted Scheduling. Let's move to the last section to preview and save the job. The asset installation job is created successfully. On the Job Details page, you can view the primary details like job title, status, scheduled date, SLA duration, assigned technician, service and billing address, and customer location. Now let's update the job status to Scheduled. Select Scheduled from the Job Status dropdown and click on Update. We have created a commercial security system installation job, assigned it to a field technician, and updated the job status. Now let's log into the technician's mobile app. The Zuper mobile app equips your field technicians with customer data, job details, parts and service details, invoicing, and real-time communication capabilities. Under Notifications, you can view the job. Let's click on it. You can view the job details, including schedule, category, priority, and customer location. Let's accept the job. On the Job Details view, you can view the associated assets. You can also update site images and other details as notes to the job. Under Notes, click on Add a new note. Upload the image and click on Save. Using the inbuilt chat application, you can also chat with the back office staff or manager. You can request more information or assistance. After the installation is done, the field technician can update the job status as completed. To do so, click on Status. Select Change Status. Select Completed from the list of available statuses. Click on Submit. The job status is updated successfully. After the job is completed, the customer will receive an email notification with the feedback link to rate your services. This can be configured using notifications and alert settings in Zuper. Clicking on the feedback link in the email, the customer can rate the service and provide comments or suggestions, and click on Submit Feedback. You can view the feedback on the Job Details page. Let's switch to the Zuper web app. Click on Jobs. Click on the Commercial Security System job. You can view the customer's feedback. Let's raise an invoice for the customer. Click on More Actions. Select New Invoice. Scroll down to add parts and services to the invoice. Click on Add Item. You can filter or search the parts and services. Let's enter camera in the search box and click on Search. Enter the quantity as, say, 10 and click on Add. You can view the total invoice amount. Let's save and share it with the customer. Click on Save and Send. Click on Send. The invoice is successfully sent to the customer. After the payment is received, you can mark the invoice as paid. To do so, click on More. Select Mark as Paid. Choose the payment mode. Enter remarks, if any. You can choose to send a receipt or thank you note. Click on Mark as Paid. In summary, we created a commercial security system asset, completed the installation job for the same, collected the payment, and received feedback from the customer. Do you want to streamline your field service operations? Schedule a demo with us today.